Hello, everyone. I greet you all in the name of Jesus. Thank you for coming to another Gist Day with Thesis Inspirational Corner channel on YouTube. I beg, as you come, if you know, say you never subscribe, may you help me to subscribe. When I know, say, for this life, now say, nobody is an island, no. And I have never tried to be an island. And I hope you too, you are not an island. We need each other. We need each other at one point or the other. So you do your part, I do my part. Okay, you're not forced to if you don't want to, but please, you can do it. Okay, just go ahead and press the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I come next time. God bless you and thank you so much. Last video I be talk about una know this season of totori wey we dey talk about now. We dey talk about totori as in sex, okay? So I know say this topic na these talks na taboo talks, things where people know they like to dey talk about. But these things are actually a problem in relationships and in marriages. It is a big problem. Sex is a big problem, but people don't talk about it. So, but whatever the case, some people will need the advice, they go still take her. Some will no need her. They go still because there are some other people, they know already how it goes in their own relationship or in their own marriage. But other people still need a little tips every day to pep up things. Okay, last week we'll be talking about women like to the fake orgasm. Okay, now if you the fake orgasm as a woman, you are slowly destroying your relationship or your marriage or whatever thing you are doing. If you are faking orgasm, you are spoiling everything. Why? Because it is not a one-day thing, it's not a two-day thing, it's a lifetime issue. Now every day till death do you part. If you day inside marriage, till death do you part. So there is no need faking. There is just no need at all to fake. When you day inside marriage, they say the two shall join to become one. Abi? So now, if una don't join to become one, sorry about that. I think my camera is not. Okay, if una don't join now to become one, now be say everything where they go on, una just get to the talk about them all the time. Wey mean say it be an obligation for your partner to satisfy you sexually. Now you're right. For them to satisfy you sexually. So it dey very important also say when una dey inside marriage or relationship, whatever they go on, if anybody they do well, like if the man is not getting satisfied with your way of making love to him, or you are not satisfied with your his way of doing it with you, you tell him, hey honey, that's this corner where you go like that, no reach. I want make you go like this. Una know say sometimes because people know they feel free to talk about this sex issue inside their marriage or relationship, it dey make things they begin to sour. Small e go dey sour. And if every day person go lie down for bed, man they do something, they sweet you, they holler wah when nothing they go on. How long do you want to start shouting wah when nothing is going on? Instead of calling him and telling him that this thing they work, you will go they holler, they shout as if you lost something when nothing they go on. So it is very important that we talk about this thing. See, there is something they call foreplay. If you be person, like some women they complain, say, my husband they stay 1 hour of my body. We had a show sometime on Facebook about this. And there was this man that came and said, what if man they stay plenty? Now I ask and say, like, for how long? He say, oh, like 1 hour. I say, what? 1 hour? Now on top of animal, now you dey. Now horsepower you get. So now sometimes, people stay 1 hour. A man can stay 1 hour on top of his wife, or his woman, because the foreplay no take place. You know, there is this way that you go cuddle person, you go cuddle am, you go kiss am, you know, una go touch small, touch everywhere round about. Una know now that kind of thing wey you go just make person na himself go dey beg you say abeg come make we dey do. If you open your mouth beg you say come make we dey do, e no go waste 5 minutes for your body, because the excitement don dey there already. Because the excitement dey there, e go make am, e no go stay this 1 hour. But most of the times people dey stay 1 hour, or this man be dey complain say go stay 1 hour, because this foreplay no dey take place. Foreplay no dey take place, so e go make person, and the sex go just be boring. You know that kind of thing wey you dey on top of woman body, go just dey say make this man make e do come out, do quick come out, make you do come out. Oh, e go dey there for telephone, because you never finish. You go dey do, you never finish. You go dey work for your telephone. So that is when it becomes boring. It becomes boring because nothing is going on. Now, if you be say this foreplay be don take place, no be say person go just come say open leg, or you the woman you just come say I don already baff, abeg come do make I dey go, I wan sleep. No, just come and do, let me wetin be that? No be like that now. Or you go just go dey sleep when you dey or maybe most women they do when they wan get belle. When they wan get belle, now you go meet your husband make he sleep with you. See, sex in a relationship, in marriage, it is very, very important. It dey help to build up the relationship. And I hear people they say sex is not everything, sex is not everything. See, if person, man will like totori, will like sex, will wake up in the morning, in woman never give am, e dey don spoil. If you give am the most sumptuous meal in the world, he no go chop am. He will not eat. If a man eats food every day, food for mouth, he dey eat am every day, wey you know they ask you say you won't go make love to you, no say they collect am somewhere else. If they collect am somewhere else. So there is nothing like sex is not everything. Fine, it is not everything. But what we have to do is you try to put a little bit of everything inside to make it work. Put a little bit of everything. You dey make sure say you dey cook for your husband. I don't see men where they know they see food eat. Like you go see some couples, when you go see one beautiful lady like that with one very ugly person. God forgive me, we are all created in the image of God. I'm just putting it in the worldly kind of way where person go understand. So now, if you see her, people go to say, this man ugly, oh, this one CRCB, CRCB. But the thing be say, now this person, the taste of the pudding is in the eating. Some people, the way they go see pudding, they'll say, this thing CRCB, I know if you eat, I know one day. But when you taste them, now you go know, say pudding is sweet. So the taste of the pudding is the eating. That person will get it in, now you know what it is inside. There are women that do not know how to cook. Even water to boil, they don't know. But the men are dying behind them. Food, you can buy anywhere. Good sex, you cannot buy it. You know they buy them. Even though you go for where they go buy them. The one where you go collect for the comfort of your bedroom, they know they buy that one. So all these things, I know sometimes it is difficult to do them, but you can put a little bit of everything. You cook a little food, you give sex, just try to be everywhere, no matter how difficult it is. So now they talk, so you go see this, when you see this beautiful girl, people go to say this, how this man the man ugly, this girl too fine for this man now. You don't know what the man they do for the woman body. You don't know what this man they do for this woman body in the night. As they call him wowo and ugly and short like that. Oh nah. When he enter down below in the night, leave him. He can ugly for una eye, oh, but for the woman eye, now the best man in the world. Because it is not every man where they succeed to satisfy a woman sexually. Yes. That is why sometimes when you see, they go ask her, say, ah, this girl say, what did they find for this man back? What did they find? She can even walk and give all her money. She can walk and give all her money to the man. Why? Because the man don't touch and reach that place. The place where no man never touch and reach. Now she know the gbadun, the thing where they enjoy for the man body. Now you know wetin dey there. So the taste of the pudding is the eating. Person wey chop eating, now you know where they sweet and rich. Una know Anna. So when I dey talk today about faking orgasm, there is no way you feel the fake orgasm. Feel free to talk with your partner. If you feel talk about money, you feel talk about building house, you can still talk about your sex life very freely and openly. Una know, because one thing where they keep people now just this shame. I dey shame. I know if I go tell her now, it go dey look me like say I be one prostitute. If you dey see, you cannot hide for too long. You cannot hide for too long. And the only person you owe to being open to is your partner. So if you know they're open to your partner, I don't know who you want to be open to again. And if una they talk about this sex and they tell people, tell your partner how the thing they do you. How the totori they say they do you for body. You go see oh nah. See, if una they talk about this thing and una they do them the way the other partner wants. If your man say do am like this, you do am. If you no go down with you, we tell am say, honey, I know if you do this one. No. If your wife say make you do, you tell am say, if I know if you do this one, you go still find way where you go take satisfy am. Make una make sex, make it be important for una marriages, make it be enjoyable. Bring some life into your marriage. Make it that thing where person go there, if your wife go out like this to work, if you think of you now like this, butterflies they go they run for a belly, your stomach go just they warm like that. You go say, I cannot wait to go home and meet my husband. I cannot go home and meet my baby. When I know that kind of thing. When you give and to ram, give and to ram. See, now your woman, now your husband, now your man, now your boyfriend, now your whatever. If you are going into a relationship, into marriage, make sure say you take person where say you show your friend, your everything. If you see, I don't talk most of the time, say if you see people where they medicine not there inside this thing, there is no juju inside this thing. I don't know whether juju they exist. It might be existing, but the most simplest way you can still apply these little tricks to make things work for you. When you see couples being happy every day, holding hands, kissing each other on the way, chuckling, everything. Not be juju they use. Now just some very simple tricks. Man, where you go see man, a woman go dress when they won't go party. You go pull them back inside room. Tell her, say, honey, come and take one round. Then go sex well. That kind of thing where you they go outside. When you just, you they go there, you they see other people, but you don't be like, say, nobody know they exist. You are in your own world. You are in your own world full of love, full of happiness, full of satisfaction. Everything they you nyafu. When everything is working well, prayers will be answered. Everything will just work out like that, small. Good. Positivity, the power of positivity, it go to be for your mind. You go to be happy. Happiness go to bring out the woman in you. You go to shine. You go to glow. You go to blossom. Because you dey happy with the man where you get for inside house. So all these small tricks, may we just start today. If you never do them, just start to learn them. No fake orgasm. Tell your partner, say, the way you dey do them, they sweet me. Everybody gets his own point, so they go touch them. Some they touch ear, some touch nose, some they, everything. You get where you go touch person now, you go see a reaction. So make una start to they do. I love you all. If you know say this just sweet you, subscribe, press your finger. Please, I beg you all. subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.